Okay, today we're going to do a quick video showing you the QuickWood Pro 1100. We're just going to show you the full functionality of this machine. It is available now and ready to go. First thing we have is the brushes themselves. This is a brush sander with a conveyor belt. We also have a carousel that goes around and the brushes, and then the whole system moves up and down as well for thickness. So it's got all those functionalities built in. We'll just start with the brushes. We'll just turn them on. You can hear them, you can probably see them. We'll do some close-ups in a minute. But those are the brushes. We also have a button right here that toggles back and forth between clockwise and counterclockwise, so you can change the direction of the spinning of the brushes very easily. Next thing is the carousel. That's that whole unit inside that spins around. I'm going to go ahead and turn that on. You can see that as well, and those are spinning now. Just like the brushes, we actually can dial that speed up and down. We can do the same thing with the carousel. You can probably hear that in the video a little bit, and then we can dial those all the way down as well. So full speed functionality on both systems. Go ahead and turn that off. Then we have the conveyor belt. Go ahead and turn that one on as well. You can see that works. The conveyor belt does have a speed adjustment. That's in the rear of the machine on a large knob, and that is something you do while you are running the belt. And that works as well. And we actually have a speed indicator up here with a digital readout that you can see that you actually are adjusting that up and down. Go ahead and turn that off. Next we have the whole head, the whole carousel actually can go up and down as well as rotate. So we'll go ahead and move that up a little bit. And that's increasing our space, and I'll show you again a close-up later. We've got a digital readout for that as well, so we can dial that into whatever thickness we want, and we can go down and up as we need. The last thing is the vacuum system. This has a vacuum hold down as well as vacuum pickup. Big motor under there, and that's working as well. So go ahead and turn that on for you. Okay, so that's all the major functions of this machine. This machine is ready to go. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call, shoot us an email or a text. We'd be happy to talk to you. Before we go and before we do a close-up of this, I'll go ahead and turn everything on simultaneously so you can see that everything does fire up and run together. So we'll start with the vacuum. Okay, here's a close-up of the QuickWood Pro 1100 system. Here's the control panel. We'll go ahead and run through these. Again, we've got the brushes right here. You can hit run to turn the brushes on. The brushes are spinning. We also can toggle for the rotation. It's kind of hard to see on the screen, but we have clockwise and counterclockwise. We can just hit that F1 button and that'll toggle the rotation. Right now we are in counterclockwise. So if I hit this button, and then run again, should go clockwise. And there you go. We also have the carousel on and off. And you can control that with the dial. We can go down, or we can speed it all the way up. And then off. We have the conveyor belt. We have the up down, and you can see that number changes as I press it. And then we have the vacuum on off. We'll go ahead and hit that. This has been the up close quick view of the